What's going on, guys? In today's video, I replaced an AC compressor in this Nissan Rogue.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so the customer came in saying that their AC didn't work. I checked to see if there was a fuse or relay for the AC, and it's not anything I can replace on here, according to a forum that I found online. Checked the pressure in the AC system, it was okay. Looked down at the clutch when the AC was on, which, yep, I should have a flashlight, but I don't. They're all dead. So the clutch is right down there. So pretty much what I gotta do is raise the car up, because I think, yeah, 100% sure it's gonna be easier from the bottom. So I'm gonna put the car on the lift, bring it up, take off the under shrouds and under trays and whatever splash shields, and then get up in there and figure out how to take off the AC compressor. Look at the little guy just over there sleeping. Hey Kobe, what do you think about the AC compressor? It's hot in here. Before any job that you're disconnecting anything electrical, you want to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Because this Rogue is such monster truck status, I had to put the little extension arms in there. But up she goes. Very nice. The AC compressor's right here in that horrible blown out shot. Yeah, that was close. For a second I almost thought I'm not going to remove it from the bottom. And then I looked online and I'm not going to remove it from the bottom. But I do have to take off two 12mm bolts. So they are right here. This one and this one. Right there. And then I go up top and do the rest from up there. Alright, so now that I'm back up top, I just need to, crap, I can't see it. The two, get out of your fly. Okay, now I can see it. Right there, those two 10mm bolts I need to take off for the AC lines. And then right there for the connector. Got this mega long extension down in there. Bada bing, bada boom. So I took both of those off, and then this little connector right there, that just plugs right down in. Yep, you can't see anything. And that's why I'm not filming down in there. Okay, so now I gotta take off this wheel right here, wherever it is, and I don't know where to point, but take that off. Take off a little plastic shield on there, and then I can work on the tensioner, I don't know, release tension to then take off the belt. Now this little plastic cover needs to come off, and whoever took it off last just literally put like the crappiest stuff in there possible. I actually gotta lift it up all the way. So then up under here, there are some screws that are completely rusted out. There's no good way for me to film this, so you're getting a shot of me. Okay, belt is off. All right, so now I got to take off 2 more 12 mil. One right there, and then one right here. Alright, now I'm down here in the fender liner area, and I think this may be the best way to take it out. Wow, you're a heavy bugger. Nope, maybe, but not with this camera. Yeah. You freaking piece of crap. Yeah, you better lay on the floor. Yeah. Yeah, you better roll away. Oh yeah, it's breakdancing. I'm a breakdancing little AC compressor. Oh yeah. Darylyn just got off work, so she's coming to the shop, and Kobe doesn't know it, but I think I just heard her pull up. I heard a Subaru frequency in my ear, so we'll see. We'll get his reaction. All right, got the new one kind of tucked back in there, so now I just need to rotate it, put it back in place, and wish I had a cameraman to get these sick shots. What's that? Yeah, look at that butt wag.
It's like half asleep still.
Yep.
Hi.
He's like, I don't know what's going on, I just woke up. All right, so after getting super frustrated with not being able to access anything, I drew myself a diagram and then had to like reach up underneath this piece to see anything. But yeah, it's all back on there. Now I just need to lift it up all the way and put those 2 bolts in the bottom of the compressor, and then recharge the system. It's not even cool. Time to pull out the Rogue and wait on a customer to bring their Camry in, as well as a customer to come pick up the Rogue. It's blowing cold. It's just not like super cold. So yeah, we'll see about that, and other than that, yeah, good to go. Look how nice that truck looks all the way down the street. Good thing it's still there, not stolen. All right. P0440441446. Backstory on that car that I just scanned. It was a 2003 Camry, or maybe 2000, I don't know, some year Camry. And the kid's father called earlier today because he went to the dealership and the dealership quoted him $600 to replace the dash. That's all they said. It's like, well, probably replacing something back behind the dash, but he brought it in for me to take a look at. Said that the dealership said they can't check the codes because they can't see the check engine light, the actual light in the gauge cluster that comes on, that the light bulb was out or something, so they needed to replace that, I'm guessing, the cluster. But so I was like, well, the instrument, the light on the dash is for the driver. The OBD, as long as you can hook up a scanner to it and check emissions for that, that's all you really need. So I scanned it. I could read it with the scanner, and I don't know. Maybe the dealership just wanted money. Maybe they have something else, I don't know, but I told him to come back in because he did have 3 codes. So I need to diagnose those codes before he can pass safety and emissions. Just emissions, because Utah doesn't have safety anymore on cars besides salvage title being converted to rebuilt. But that brings me to the scanner I used. Ancel Hansel and Gretel scanner. It's available on Amazon. I was sent this scanner to review, and so far I like it. This is my current scanner that I use, just an Autel AutoLink AL610. And this Ancel one, it has the same interface, I feel like. So here are all the features. The only thing that I feel like is a downside is when they sent it to me, they said that it only goes up until the year 2016, which for the price, I think that's good. I'm just gonna use it to keep in the truck, but it seems like a pretty well built. It's about the same weight as that, and comparison, I am going to put the link in the description for you guys to go check it out on Amazon. I think it was 130 something, but there's a coupon code for you to use as well that I checked, and it gave me $13 off. So if you're just looking for a little bit above entry level, like it's not one of those little like red, you know, that everything's digital, or like looks like a freaking Tamagotchi. Darylyn's over there laughing at me because I'm laughing at my own jokes. But yeah, so this one actually has a nice display, and it has SRS and ABS. So go check it out. Well, thanks for watching, guys. It's about time to head out of here, and Darren and I are gonna. What were you gonna do?
You're such
Holding
a
a
creep.
panda. Darylyn's holding the little panda key. So thank you for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel this far and supporting us, and for liking Kobe Dog and his little inputs on the channel. But stay tuned for tomorrow's video, guys. And until then, be safe, and all the other parental guidance I normally give you guys. Bye.
Oh, kill him.